This BONTEC full-motion wall mount stands out for its unusually long extension arm, which lets you pull a television far out from the wall or tuck it back in for a tidy, space-saving setup. Its compatibility with a wide range of screen sizes and mounting patterns makes it a practical choice whether you are upgrading a modest living room television or a large home theater display. The generous swivel, tilt, and leveling adjustments make it easy to dial in a comfortable viewing angle from a sofa, desk, or gaming chair without straining your neck. A robust steel construction and dual-arm design give the bracket a very solid feel on the wall, inspiring confidence when supporting heavier televisions. Because it works on wood studs, brick, or concrete, this mount adapts well to different rooms and wall types, including tricky corner installations. Clear instructions and organized hardware help keep installation straightforward for a patient do-it-yourself user, even with the mount's more complex full-motion design.